So we had a big victory out of the Supreme Court today. This was a case, it was Medina versus Planned Parenthood. This is where the state of South Carolina was saying that Medicaid dollars would not go to Planned Parenthood. Effectively, they were defunding Planned Parenthood at the state level, saying our citizens don't want their taxpayer dollars going to Planned Parenthood, so we're stopping that. Planned Parenthood sued. It went all the way up to the Supreme Court. And in a 6-3 decision, which the ACLJ filed in, our brief, which was tracking very closely with what the decision of the court brought forward, is they were trying to argue that they had the right to receive Medicaid dollars, that you couldn't sever that. You couldn't choose to not fund them. The Supreme Court overturned that. In the way it was very technical, as the court does, they decided Planned Parenthood doesn't have the right to sue the state to get Medicaid funding back, effectively paving the way for states to follow South Carolina's lead and stop giving Medicaid dollars to abortion clinics. It's for health care, not for what Planned Parenthood and other clinics do. And I think this is a wonderful decision by the Supreme Court, authored by Neil Gorsuch, 6-3, with the 3 liberal members of the court dissenting. And I think it really is a powerful day, not just even for this, but at the fact that states can not fund things instead of being forced by these interest groups to give them your taxpayer dollars.
About life, but of course life is very important to us here at the ACLJ, but the ramifications of this are well beyond. But we do, like striking some blows to Planned Parenthood. This is another one, and we're going to be taking them on again directly in another state to prevent them from striking down even one of Missouri's pro-life laws. They want to take down all of them. And today, though, was a big day, whether that is for life or even for just the states being able to decide what they want to do. The fight continues on. Rick in Nevada, watching on Rumble.
Regarding the Supreme Court and its battles with Planned Parenthood, why doesn't the Supreme Court levy a $100 million fine against the Planned Parenthood and put an end to these frivolous suits once and for all?
Well, I mean, I don't know if the Supreme Court would even consider it a frivolous suit, even though they said they didn't have the right to sue. It was a little bit untested, that whether or not the Medicaid programs could pick and choose which providers, and they tried to use a portion of the law, the Civil Rights Act, or something of that nature, where they were saying that you can't discriminate against persons who want to use the doctor of their choice and things of that nature. So I like where you're headed, because I feel like the American people need to claw back some of the money that has gone to Planned Parenthood over the years, but I don't think that would be the way to do it.
We are so excited to announce the ACLJ's brand new app, completely redesigned to provide you with the best tools available to partner with us at the ACLJ. You can watch the daily Secular program, sign the petitions, customize your ACLJ membership experience, donate with the click of a button, and receive up-to-the-minute critical updates that the mainstream media can't censor. Just scan the QR code on your screen or go to your phone's app store, search ACLJ, and click install. It's that simple.